welcome to this week's vlog. This week we've come down to High Gelt, which is basically another place right on the doorstep. We're pretty lucky around here to have so many places to go to, really. I hope you can hear me alright, because we're right next to this waterfall. So what I'm trying to do is use the curve in this little pothole down here. It's nice foreground. Looks lovely on the back of the camera. It's a nice sort of foreground element with a nice curve. Lovely rocks in the bottom, which I'm using a polarizer for, just to take the glare off the water. But it looks really, really nice. So once I've got these couple of shots in the bag, I'll put them up for you to see, and I'm going to move down and try and get closest to the log, and maybe use the log as a leading line into the shot and see if that makes any difference. Bits of water coming down and hitting that log. It just looks really, really nice. The bit of trouble that you're having is a few messy bits of log at the top there, but you just have to try and cut those out of the frame if possible. But because the light's nice and flat tonight, it makes it looks really, really nice. There's no sort of hot spots, although every now and then I'm getting a bit of trouble with highlights again, just in the water. So again, what we're doing is focusing in amongst where the water's hitting this log, trying to slow the shutter speed down enough to give the water some texture in the bottom here.
So with this image, I really like the image itself, and I like the flow of the water in the bottom there, with the nice texture on the bottom. But the problem I've got with it is, because it's in portrait mode, what's tending to happen is it cuts the bridge out at the top on the right hand side. And to me it's not really that pleasing on the eye when it cuts that off like that. I like the image as a whole, but that really doesn't do it for me. So with this second version of the image, I like it a lot better than the first. I like the rock on the left hand side, which has got some really nice textures in it, and it also looks like a bit like an arrow which points you in the direction of the bridge. The texture in the stream's really good as well, and it's got like an S curve, which again leads the eye towards the bridge and the trees in the back of the bridge. I think overall this image works a lot better than the first one in portrait mode. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below.
Well, if you've liked the vlog this week, please like and subscribe. Join me on Facebook at Paul Thomson Photography. Join me on Instagram at Paul Thomson Photography, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.